Imagine an Earth where none of us could live, with the great natural beauty that she has is all gone. What if I told you that if the rate that we're going at, someday soon, Earth won't be hospitable to humans? We are completely trashing the Earth. With our use of fossil fuels and ruining natural environments, climate change is in full effect. Our dependence on these fuels have caused us to completely disregard anything. Americans produce about 250 million tons of garbage, which over 50% goes from a landfill into the earth, which contaminates the earth's soil water. According to the EPA, 44% of assessed stream miles, 64% of lakes, and 30% of bay estuary areas are not clean enough for fishing and swimming. According to the United States, the world has a big problem too. 783 million people do not have access to clean water, and around 2.5 billion do not have access to adequate sanitation. As humans, we pollute the air about 2 million pounds of CO2 per second. This pollution causes much harm to not only the environment, but to humans themselves. Pollution contaminates drinking water, and 5,000 people die every day as a result of drinking unclean water. In addition, pollution kills more than 1 million seabirds and 100 million mammals every year. Also, more than 3 million kids under the age of 5 die every year due to environmental factors like pollution. That's a pretty alarming number to me. If we keep disregarding Earth and keep polluting, what will happen is mass extinction of animals. Major air pollution, which will make air hard to breathe, illness will go up, causing possible pandemics, and also global warming is going to cause temperatures to rise and cause extreme weather storms to start happening quite frequently. Also, with the change in weather and air quality, farmers won't be able to grow the amounts of food that our growing population will need to be able to feed everyone. So that means that the major food shortages will happen, and the already apparent problem of world hunger will just get worse. So what possibly can we do to save this earth? Could we possibly go somewhere else? Where could we go? How would the ever exponentially growing population ever survive? Author Andrew Revin from the New York Times says that by 2050, there will be 9 billion people living on Earth. And by 2100, there will be 10 billion people. With our world already almost overpopulated, where are all these people going to go if Earth becomes inhospitable? There are just some of these questions as humans that we need to answer. I'm going to answer some of these questions. The first question I'm going to answer is there anywhere else we can go? The simple answer to that question is no. But some people believe that there is a colony that can be created on Mars, called the Mars One Project. Could this possibly be a place for Earth's population to go? The simple answer to that question is no. But could this project help? The people at Mars One say yes. The argument for this group of people is human settlement on Mars is the next giant leap for mankind. This exploration of the solar system will bring the human race closer together. Mars is the next step to the voyage into the universe. Furthermore, human settlement on Mars will aid the understanding of the origins of the universe, the origins of life, and the human's place in the universe. As with the Apollo moon landings, a human mission to Mars will inspire generations to believe that anything's possible and that anything can be achieved with perseverance. This could help humans coming together and wanting to save our planet, seeing that going to Mars really isn't a great option. But it doesn't really help save the population on Earth right now, so what could we focus our energy on now rather than exploring the solar system around us? Well, we can do things by helping the environment. The number of climate change-related incidents has increased fourfold between 1980 and 2010. According to World Food Program, by 2015, the number of people affected by climate change disasters could reach 375 million per year. Over the last 50 years, the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere has increased by 30% due to burning fossil fuels and greenhouse gas emissions like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and other gases, trapping more heat in the lower atmosphere. Above 600,000 deaths occur worldwide every year due to climate change. 95% of those deaths take place in developing countries, which means that these people are already barely contributing to climate change. Recycling more renewable energy, educating people, like this movie, something as simple as turning off the water while you're brushing your teeth can make a huge difference for the planet. Together we can end this pollution. One of the main ways that we can do this is stop our use of plastic. For years, humans survived without plastic. We can do it again. Scientists are predicting that it can take up to 1,000 years for a plastic bag to decompose, causing harm to wildlife, oceans, and humans. Americans generate 30 billion foam cups, 220 million tires, and 1.8 billion disposable diapers every year. According to the Green Schools Alliance, Plastic pollution causes harm to everyone and everything. Let's end it together. Recycle everything you can. Remember that the best thing to do is to donate or reuse items, but recycling is the next best option. Heating our homes in the winter and cooling them during the summer months takes a great deal of energy, which is quite hard on the environment and also costs a fortune. Reducing our dependency on heat and air conditioning is actually quite easy. It just takes a little planning. Climate change, to a great extent, is caused by society's passion for the automobile, commercial cars. Car toys, songs, and movies have influenced our society into being largely dependent on automobiles for convenience and social status. Automobiles, which were once considered to be a luxury, are now found in even the poorest countries. Reducing our dependence on the automobile would make a substantial environmental improvement and improve our overall quality of life. Overall, as a population, we really do need to change. I think that we can do it, so let's do it together. Let's save the planet.